So hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel guys. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video update we'll be definitely talking about XRP, and after thousands and thousands of years XRP produced this leg up to the upside, and it's looking very good right now, and a good volume is coming back to XRP right now whatsoever. So guys, if you guys remember, I told you guys few of the things. Let me show you guys what exactly I mean by this. If you focus overall at the time when every single stuff went very bad, exactly on 5th of July and 4th of July, I told you guys that we are definitely on the verge of this thing, that we are exactly trading around almost 41.5 cents. I told you guys a very important weekly level to hold, and also at the same time it was very important daily level to hold. Exactly, we were trading within this area. I told you guys it's looking very nice. We have wicks to the downside where the candle is closing to the upside, some bullish SFPs right here on the weekly and the daily time frame. We can definitely push to the upside, and it's very simple. The invalidation is very tight. Just buy right here, SL below the wick, and you guys can definitely make some money out of it. And I told you guys that we hold here and we can see recovery. And if you guys remember, and then I updated my next update as well on XRP as well. So guys, I gave you right here, I told you guys that we can definitely see a good recovery on XRP. And if you guys remember, if you guys will not say that, oh bro, where you said, if you guys follow me accurately every single day, so I gave you XRP right here, and we push it back to this 45 cents, and from 45 cents we got a rejection. And once we were getting a rejection, I told you guys this thing, that once we start to get back into the zone, you guys can definitely look for another long position. SL would be below this area, and if we hold this area we can see a leg up. And from there, what exactly just happened, we beautifully produced a leg up. And within this area I posted another tweet on XRP, and once we start to flip above this area we can see a surge. And you guys can exactly see this, we flip this level, that is exactly around 45 cents. Once we start to flip above, we just push it. Right now we are getting exactly hitting this area. And in the immediate short term, what I'll say is, in the immediate short term guys, in the immediate short term, what I'll say is that you guys must secure your profits exactly at 52 cents. Very important. And I don't know if you guys haven't, this is a simple breakout, and this is the breakout, and this is where you secure profits. And right now everybody is talking about XRP pump, and this is where you just exit usually, right? And secondly, most for sure, you guys can exactly exit the pump right here. Come on, you guys can just simply exit your next if you pump produced up. So guys, 52 is the first target. The next target is exactly 55, and then 57, and then 63, right? These are few of the levels for me about XRP. But in the immediate short term I'll secure most of my profits exactly into this area, and I may see some sort of a rejection exactly from 52 cents, I'm telling you guys, and then maybe 55 cents. These are two rejection levels that I'm looking up for XRP right now. And if everybody's talking about something pump and this and that, and this is where the people get wrecked, and this is where the people get some sort of FOMO trades. And if you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. This is the BTC short position. You guys can exactly say this first TP on this position is this is a free trade Ethereum spot buy in the premium Discord. We bought, and exactly right here, and 3200 is already been hit on Ethereum as well. This is another 5025. This is a premium trader call, beautifully up on this AVAX call as well. This is BTC long position, full TP on this long position as well. BTC hedge position, again a free call, and full TP on BTC hedge position as well. INJ long position, first TP on INJ is already been hit right here in this trade as well. This is another Ethereum call trade, long position right here, and full TP on Ethereum long position right here as well. The point is, if you guys want to get going with me, these are just 1 week trades. If you guys want to get going with me, these are the trades given right here. You will send the subscription amount right here. These are the subscriptions amount you will send. Once you join my Discord, you will go to the pre-VIP channel. You will send the wallets. These are the wallet address. You will send subscription amount into these wallets. You guys will be sending the screenshot to the owner of the Discord, and you guys will be added into the premium Discord. I hope so it makes sense for you guys. I hope so you guys enjoyed. This is what I'm planning for XRP. No bullshit. As always, until next time, take care.